So this is a quick tutorial on how to do your sound diary, and it's pretty simple. Let me do this. Get your notepad out. Ideally you have a paper notepad, but in this instance I'll have this is my notepad. And what you're doing is you are listening for a minute. You take a photo of what you're listening to. And I'm going to focus on kind of my living room. So maybe I'll take a couple of photos, but I think only one's fine. So take a couple of photos, and then I want you to use whatever recording device you have. I maybe would rather not have you do the laptop because I want you to be more mobile with your recording device. So, but I am going to use my recorder on here, and again, here it is, and I'm going to record for a minute at least without me talking. So actually maybe the air conditioning unit is a better focus. And then you simply listen to it again. You listen for different sounds and you make observations. Kind of like a diary. Today I had a construction crew over. Earlier, the sounds were cacophonous and loud, and I'll look up cacophonous later, and loud and stressful. Now, those sounds have died down, but are still in the background. I focus on the air conditioning unit, the home air conditioning unit, and you can edit later. And it has a low drone and a very common sound. I remember when I was younger visiting my grandmother in South Carolina. It reminds me of when I visited it reminds me when and she always had the air conditioning on. Now I'm not used to air conditioning. It's a newer. I haven't had air conditioning in a long time because I've lived in the Bay Area. So now I'm in Southern California. It's now a constant part of the sounds. I could maybe find the tone or the key that it is in so I can play along with it. Maybe I'll sample it and have it. So just like various observations, use Paulina Oliveiras' ideas as well as others, like sound is subtle but surrounding and moving like the air. Sound is subtle but surrounding and moving like the air. So just general, like a paragraph to 2 paragraph long general observation. Then when you're done, you send me in the container for that week. You send the text, the photo, and the sound. Take a photo of the air conditioning unit. And that's it. That's pretty much it. And just have your sound observations happen. I think it's every 3rd week. Sound diary every 3rd week. So hopefully that made sense.